In today's fast-paced digital world, visual content plays a pivotal role in engaging audiences, driving marketing campaigns, and enhancing brand identities. Enter StockDreams AI, a groundbreaking platform designed to revolutionize the way we create high-quality images using artificial intelligence. This innovative tool promises to transform the creative process, making it accessible, efficient, and incredibly versatile for users of all skill levels. StockDreams AI is a comprehensive platform that leverages advanced AI technology to generate a wide array of images. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or simply someone in need of high-quality visuals, StockDreams AI offers an impressive suite of tools to cater to your needs. From realistic photos and intricate vectors to creative doodles and detailed product images, this platform covers all bases. The Photo Studio is a standout feature of StockDreams AI. It allows users to create stunning, realistic images by simply typing in their desired scene. Whether you need a business meeting snapshot or an action-packed sports image, the Photo Studio delivers high-quality results in seconds. Users can re-render images until they achieve the perfect visual, ensuring satisfaction and creative flexibility. StockDreams AI excels in branding by offering tools to create logos and icons effortlessly. Users can generate custom logos by inputting simple prompts, and while AI is still improving in font accuracy, the overall quality is impressive. The doodling tool allows for the creation of black and white or colored doodles, which can be used for educational purposes or fun activities like kids' coloring books. StockDreams AI includes advanced functionalities such as background removal and image upscaling. The background remover allows users to create transparent images, perfect for integrating into different designs. The upscaling feature enhances image resolution, ensuring that visuals are crisp and professional. Additionally, the platform provides preset backgrounds and scenes, making it easy to generate thematic images quickly. StockDreams AI harnesses the power of AI to democratize the creative process. By automating image generation, the platform saves users valuable time and resources. This is particularly beneficial for small businesses and startups that may not have the budget for extensive design teams. The intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it accessible for individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. StockDreams AI is a game-changer in the realm of image creation. Its diverse range of tools and advanced AI capabilities offer users unparalleled flexibility and quality. Whether you need professional-grade photos, intricate vectors, or creative doodles, StockDreams AI delivers with impressive efficiency. As AI continues to evolve, platforms like StockDreams AI will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of visual content creation. Thanks for watching.